So it's been a couple days since I made a video. It's been a couple of days since I've built a new bot. And the reason is because I've been perfecting my virtual content writer team. And I think I'm done. Like I built 4 variations of this thing, constantly testing and testing and testing. And I finally am super happy with the outputs. Like I think they're as good as I'm gonna get them, and I'm really excited about it. Anyway, let me show you this completely epic flow. First, let me show you the output. Now don't judge this based on aesthetics. I'm a terrible designer, but AI obviously generated that image. There is the title, which went through a tree of thought 3rd agent decision tree, crafting captivating AI voices, bring your characters to life with authentic emotive dialogue. The first subheader, notice how keywords are bolded. This is also SEO focused based on semantic SEO, so it doesn't repeat the same keyword, it just has a list of related keywords. It also definitely writes like me, uses terms that I use regularly in my writing, like all right. I start almost every section with all right. It also says picture this, which I do a lot as well. It logically flowed through all of the subhead topics, and it ended up writing me a 2,700 word blog. Now it starts with a form. All I have here is a topic search term, and additional context, but the form is the trigger. Then we have a Google search on the search term, and then Google Vertex I use to identify the main keyword and identify semantic keywords. I'm leaning on Google to give me accurate SEO information since, it's Google. Then the first agent actually calls Claude 3 Opus. That's the content manager, which takes the titles of the Google search results and comes up with an angle on the topic. Then the start of the tree of thought 3rd agent decision tree. There's the GPT title and then the Claude title, and then Vertex, Gemini decides on the best one between the two. GPT creates a slug for the URL. GPT also writes the image prompt that I use for Models Lab to generate 3 images. There's a hero image and then 2 body images. This API call calls a voice flow vector database that has a bunch of information in it about AI, because that's the topic that I make content about. The system prompt. Now, you've already seen me go through a couple of these. I made a couple of videos already showing these, but this is the last iteration. So originally I had put all of the voice, personality, and tone examples in the system prompt, but I realized that it actually works better in the actual prompts. So the system prompt, I have it trimmed down to just tell the system what it is. You're a blog writer, and this is the types of blogs that you write. Then I have a variable here where I put all of the examples into write style. And basically this goes over the values of the writer, the tone of voice of the writer, and writing examples. Then I have Perplexity Web Search, which searches for that search term to get the most relevant information. Then Claude creates an outline. That outline is split up into separate subheaders, which I have it prompted to only create 6, and then all 6 are generated in a row in the same conversation. Then Claude writes the excerpt, the Google snippet for the blog. And then I actually have all of the HTML already set inside of this WordPress module, and it gets published in draft form on my website. And that is the Virtual Content Machine. This I will be making available as a product in one form or another soon.